internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Inku crate unboxing video for you guys, and I had a little sneak peek, I'm not gonna lie, and this theme, I just like instantly saw it. I'm like, oh, I love it. I don't know what it is. It's like, this is like a very, is there a name for it? It's like a very common theme going around right now, which has like those sort of neon but pastel colors, and I'm living for it. Pastel cherry blossom. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a good box, I can tell. I wish that they kept with the months that they were. That's the only thing I find really confusing now, because now when I upload them or when I track my boxes, I'm like, is this the May box, the April box? I have no idea. You'll see in my last video, I like literally just let April, May, question mark, because I actually don't know. But anyways, let's just get right into the unboxing. Oh my god, this is cute. I don't know this character, Spy Family. This series sounds familiar though. I don't know if Violet's mentioned it to me, but it's a sticker card. And then this is amazing. Look at this. I'm gonna just put it on the white so you can see it, and I'll zoom in a little. But it's like Mount Fuji, bunch of sakura. It's just so beautiful. I love it. Oh my gosh. And it's flat. Looks like it's made out of like paper, like, oh, what is it? I don't know how to describe it, but it's like textured paper. Hopefully you can see it, especially on this one here. Really beautiful. We have a pencil, a coloring pencil. It's a pink one from Mitsubishi. So cool. Momo Iro. It literally got the car symbol on it. I didn't know Mitsubishi made coloring pencils. That's kind of cool. And then we have a normal look ballpoint pen. Yeah, it looks like a ballpoint pen, just a standard like red and black, which I can test this out at the end of the video. Oh, and then we have a sakura eraser. I think I've got this one ready, but it might be at my old office, so I may not have brought it with me when I moved to this house. It's very beautiful. And then I think, what is this, like a little tote bag? Oh my gosh, it's the cutest. Okay, I gotta zoom out a little bit. But it's like the tiniest little tote bag. I guess you could put like small amounts of groceries on here, something like in there. It's a little Shiba Inu as well. So cute. Yeah, I could see this like for storing things as well. And this one, I mean, it caught my eye instantly. I mean, I hate that these are bent, so usually I have to bend them the other way for a while and then flatten them, but it's Sailor Moon. I mean, if you guys have followed me for any length of time, then you know that Sailor Mercury is my favorite. And I'm a huge Sailor Moon fan. I mean, it's probably the second anime that I've ever watched. When I started watching when I was like 7 or 8. So it's an old series and I love it. So cool. And then the last one is this pencil case, which is actually, it's very interesting. It's like silk. I'll take the stuffing out, but it's a good size. Like, it's actually a really good size. I might put this in my work bag or my personal bag or something. The silkiness is like interesting. I feel like it would, you might not want to have like any like fountain pens in here, because I feel like it could eat, if it leaks, it just destroy the whole thing. But other than that, it's a really nice size. And yeah, that is everything in the Inku box. So let's go test out that pen. All right, so this is not a branded pen. I think it's just like a very generic pen, so it might not mean much to test because I don't know if you could buy it, but I'm going to test it anyways. It's really smooth though. It does write really smooth. It's ballpoint 0.5, and I'm probably not going to test this one just because it is, I'd have to sharpen it, and I don't want to sharpen it just yet. So yeah, that is everything in this beautiful pastel cherry blossom sakura themed Inku crate. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.